welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is sending a message to the landlord, Erica. And you guys would have to go watch the video to see what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And always, always, always aim for the stars. Always aim for your goals. Always aim for what is rightfully yours. Do not dismay when things go bad, but always keep it positive. Keep a positive mindset and move forward because your best is good enough. Keep striving for excellence. Keep moving forward. And one day, just out of the blue, or out of the blues, you'll understand what your hard work and dedication was meant for. So, never get dismayed. Just keep working and pushing straight forward, knowing that by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. So, don't forget, sometimes it's really hard in the start, but just pushing forward will get you to the direction that you're supposed to be in. Don't give up now. And don't throw in the towel, because it's when you try to throw in the towel, it's just right there that your breakthrough is peeping. Just through a little tiny hole, just right through that little wall that you see. You may see that wall standing before you, but your breakthrough is right behind that wall. So never stop pushing until you break the barriers, until you flatten those walls and you're able to step over it and to go into your breakthrough. Keep moving, keep striving, and keep pushing, because your success and your testimony is right around the corner. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
What if I message in a WhatsApp? Listen to me. Listen to me. You know, she said the woman obsessed with my business. While she there searching and looking ugly and stressed out, I am here looking blessed and highly favored and going shopping. The person who texts me and tell me, say the Jezebel woman I look for 37 Harring Street. They Google it. The reason why she's looking for it because the little stinking ass motherfucker. Because she heard I said that is where I send the girl for to buy the bumbleclaw goods them. She looking contents because I said the quota need for go in. Tell that woman for go suck her man, her ex-man, Canada, John Gotti, and come out of people business. A content she looking. So the person who texts me and saying, I know what is 37 Harring Street, that is where I said the lady must go and purchase or something. Unless she blood clot, pussy clot, I send money, they're gonna go buy it. She don't need to she don't need to ask. She don't need to find 37 Harring Street. Erica go suck your blood clot, mama. And leave people business alone. This are no blood clot teacher business we have over there. And this are no blood clot planka business. Go suck out your pitney them. And your man a Portland them wag your backers. And come off of people business. My business is my business, not your business. Go suck yourself, dirty gal. After the girl call you, you embarrass the girl. Where you search for 31st Orange Street for? You buying something? Are you buying something? Where you search for 37 Orange Street for? Are you buying something stinking pussy clot gal? All drunk or dog shit slut, bitch ass motherfucker. Are you bumble clot to buy something give her? Dirty pussy old woman? What we cannot go chuck off in a Portland blood clot, never return bumble clot hole. I don't come back. Move from here so you underprivileged blood clot. You sit me bumble clot stomach. Me don't know why Satan no pitch over your pussy clot. And bury your blood clot in a piece of cemetery, castic blood clot cemetery bathroom we have upstairs. Move from here so your bumble clot cranny like. I'm gonna live your blood clot life. Your sick stomach. We are search for 37 Darren Street. Are you buying something, give her? She not call you and you embarrass her. After on the page and somebody say them look for her if she call you. Move from here, sir. You bumbleclaw orange drunk or dark slut shit house. I can't take your blood clot, your pussy clot looking at me as a child of God. You're lucky. Say me love bumbleclot freedom. Go suck your dirty man, them bitch ass ugly blood clot. Cranny woman. You sick me stomach. You know what? When you don't send me one ras on the page. Especially when it comes to she. Because I was having a nice day going shopping and buy me something I enjoy myself. Until you sell me them fuck with them in a social media, in my WhatsApp. To interfere with me. When you don't send me them the underprivileged slut there. Bumbleclot. Come put up me on this pussy clot food. Thinking of that blood clot chronic woman. You just sick me blood clot stomach man. Bumbleclot. Just sick me stomach. Puh. Bumbleclot. I can't stand that old serpent. Shit. I can't stand that old her. She like give her something? What she a search for? She giving her something? Me never know so she a give her something. She buying her anything? Where she a search? Where she a search? Is she and her dirty pussy old followers by the woman nothing? The woman no call her, she embarrassed the woman. Where she a search for Orange Street for? Where she a search for 37 Orange Street for? You buying something pussy old woman? I don't care if you two want block me. You buying something give her? Where you a search down the for? You buying something give her? Woman, they can go jump off of one blood clot, bomb clot river. I want you know that Portland. Eh? We are search for. You buying something give her? Are you buying anything give her? You buying something give her? But you over there Google. I Google Orange Street. You buying something give her? Your teeth in blood clot scam a dirty pussy old bitch ass woman. Yeah, you buying something give her? Where you search down the for? Are you buying something give her? Underprivileged dark shit house blood clot dirty witch. Or you working bomber clot. Are you buying anything given to her? You know sometimes I tell her say no call me. And tell me, nah, come me no go pan it. You see all day what I was doing? All these hours, I was shopping, honey. That's what I was doing. I'm left, I'm come for near me like a big club. I sit down here so. Until I go, till me looking at my WhatsApp message like crazy. There you goes. Move from me, so. You stink no blood clot. Your sick stomach. Your sick stomach. Your sick stomach. Huh? I don't even know. I don't even know. Are you buying something give to that lady? Where I search for 37 Marion Street for? Now somebody just text me a while ago and said, look at dirty, worrying blood clot, dirty landlord, but him over there Google. I search for 37 Marion Street. Because I hear me say, me was dealing with the man down there. For 37 Marion Street. Go down there, go pay for the rest of stuff. She want a stove. She want 2 bed. And she want a television. Go pay for that. Blood clot. Go pay for that. Go and pay for it. Anyway, people. My boyfriend has sent up a message. Come give me. I let me go talk to him. Yes, let me go talk to him. He has been sending me a message for the past 2 hours. Now I'm ignoring him. Because I'm not driving me a chat to him. So let me, he was asking me if me alright. If I find if me alright. I'm not hear from him over the street. Let me go talk to him. I'm go return back the message me having on WhatsApp. I will see who later on. Later on, me have a show for do. Pan blood clot legendary. Me have something to tell him. And make him come prove it and tell me say my lie. Because him say, him a deny it when I said to him, and he can't blood clot deny nothing. Me I go ask him some question and tell him say if him no he in a situation there, show me. So next time I come on, are you blood clot legendary? Man in the pussy clot dark. Interior decorator and big boss. Are you me and blood clot come for? Big up to the people who has been here with me for 3 hours. Or 4 hours. All I'm going to say to you, ride out no storm. Be true to yourself. Go to church. Whatever money you have and you working. Sow some seed. Do not let nobody deter you from God. Sow seed. Don't let nobody tell us that the church are rob. Them can't rob God, but them can't rob man, but them can't rob God. Sow seed. If I even $5, send it out on the money. If you can't come out of the house and go to church get like a prayer, it is better for you to go under the house of the Lord more than staying in your house. When you stay in your house, you don't have no company. Jesus not dwell like that. You want to be in the presence. If you're having problem, go to the elderly them and let them pray for you. Don't give up. I know the battle is out there. And trust me, I have been there and done that. And I'm still facing my demons them every day out here. But through it all, God never leave me nor forsake me. And me always ask him for things. And him always give it to me. It no matter what the circumstances is. He has never left me out of nothing for once. He always makes sure that he make a way for me. He always kept his promise for me. And if he can keep a promise for me, who now serve him right, he can always keep a promise for Uno too. Because he said he's here for the sinner and not the righteous. And it no matter if you no cuss bad word or not, seek ye the kingdom of heaven and all things shall be added unto you. It no matter how your way is, God will always make sure that he will make a pathway for you. If you have faith, if you hold on and trust in him, and no run gun, no hobby man, no run to this somebody, no run. Wait on the Lord and be of good courage, and he shall strengthen you. Wait upon him. But sow seed. And sometime we have to sacrifice on yourself. Because a while ago, when I asked for the $20, I asked to buy a meal. I want to bless somebody. But my friend, Sister Hillian, she will get the blessing when me done. And go send her it in a cash app. I bless me, you want to bless somebody because owner thinking on yourself say, oh, Marcia is joking. Marcia just come from shopping and buy a whole heap of brand name stuff and whatever it is. So Marcia, but I know so life go. Because I come here many times over the years. And I sit down next to carrier and say, buy something for me and me bless back people. I see people on the road I pass. Me ask them a questions and them a go on to give them something, but them a go on too much. You never know. Because a test me a test, you know. A test me a test, you know, so me can bless somebody back. Because that is how I am. But so you have to learn. It no matter what somebody have or how them look or where you see them. When you never know when a blessing will come. It no matter where somebody have or where them have or where them look like or where them look like. Try to take some leap of faith because sometimes you don't know if people are testing you. You don't know if people testing you. At any time me I give you nothing, I will be testing people. I'm going to pretend. Me I go there in the public. And me I go ask somebody, say, listen, I need $5 for makeup for buy like a grocery at the supermarket. And see who give me. And you see when them give me say, here's $50. You help pay for your grocery. And that is what I will be doing. Because when God bless me, He can bless back others. Come and buy on sheets. Quilt and sheets and everything is still there same way. Cheap and clean, still up and running. And I tell you now, hold on upon Jesus and learn to give back. Learn to give back and help others. If me never help others all my life, God would never take care of me. Me would in a one position where man a buff. Me wouldn't be on my own all these years. And looking the way I look, honey. Never out of place. Me never have to sell front yet to pay my bills. Me never have to take no buff from the man. When to come in, when to come out. Nope. He has always take care of me. That I don't have to go astray. And I don't have to subject myself to people or anything. You remember when I came out of Woodland Village and I had to go check out, I could go to family house. Me love my freedom. And I tell God, I don't want to go to family house. Because I can't bother with the rules and regulations. See me here today. And a little cussing and a little name calling me get. And God sit high and look low and said, I'm going to bless you. And He surely did. That's why me can come out and I can bless others. Whether it's a $50 or $100, I can do so. So occasionally, I will be blessing people as long as God continue to bless me. Because we can't carry money to a grave with us. And these blessings that I sow is for me and CJ and Romy. That my garden will always keep on branching and flowing. And I will always have water to drink. Because when you sow a seed in your life, people's life, your cup shall always maintain a high level of water running over. It can't run dry. So some who don't know blessing. Many times I come out here, I'm telling them I go to church, sow a seed. Because a lot of them living job. And they on home care job, I want to sit down on a laptop. I want to order a whole heap of Gucci and this and that and all kind of something from online. I want to who even sow a seed into the church them on social media. And when the client them dead, hell and powder house, for to get back at work. When to go down to nothing. Because during the time when God bless you, we're not begging for a blessing, we're never give it back to Him. And throw a little seed in the church. And that is between Huna and I. May ever sow seed in people's life, or when I go to church, I give what I have. And that's all I'm going to say. Learn to take leap of faith. Learn to sow seed. And my mother always, every Sunday, Marcia, did you go to church today? Did you sow your seed, remember? Because my mother is a big seed sower. Big one. But anyway, me go about business. Me have enough chatting. Me call my friend. You understand? That is it. So I will sooner later. Because I need a little rest. And me if I stop sitting for battery too long. That is enough. Me done near my young and me done. And me need to go home so I can use the bathroom so I go piss. So on seed. And be good.